Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I just want to share with you what happened today. But first, enjoy this time lapse. Super excited. Let me explain. I had to pull over on the side of the road because I didn't want to wait. I didn't want there to be any delays. Let's go on, let's go see. Boosted just sent me an email. Boosted board shipping now. Congratulations, your board is ready. Order yours today. Complete your order. Credit card information, I need to put it in. So hang in with me there. Hang in. Putting you down, putting you down. Need to focus here, need to focus. I'm calling my brother. I'm gonna share with him the news that the booster board is paid for. It's on its way in a couple of weeks.
Hallo.
Boete. Gaffader, fijne najas.
Come again.
The boosted board is on its way.
Wow, I'm excited, man.
Just to recap, the booster board is on its way. It's going to take a couple of weeks until it actually gets to my house. Thank you again for watching. Biggie out. Oh, by the way, I'm on a plane, so I'm sorry for the lighting.